Guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I am back with another 4 outfits that I was inspired from my Pinterest board to recreate using my own wardrobe. You guys know the drill. I take 4 outfits that I love, whether I was inspired by, to recreate the outfit or just like the way that the outfit looks from my Pinterest board, and I use items that are similar, if not the exact same sometimes, to recreate them in real life. And yeah, I love making these videos. I think that the whole point of me like talking about these videos and like really making them, and you're gonna hear me say it a million times, is using your own wardrobe and utilizing what you already have instead of feeling the need to consume. So hopefully that message is prevalent in this video, and you guys can see that like I don't have the exact same items, and that's okay. Inspiration, not replication. So without further ado, let's jump into look number 1. This is a great example of I don't have the exact item she does. She looks very classic, she looks very chic. Is it the designers that she's using? I think this is Loewe, or I'm not sure, could be Celine. I don't know, you guys, I think it's Loewe. Anyway, cute, the bag, the shirt, they match, it's adorable. Is it the designers that make it look cute, or is it just the way she has it styled and paired together, those classic black and white look? I'm gonna see, because I don't have the designer, but I do have very similar outfit to what she has. So let's see how I do with look number 1, and let's see if I can look the chic on a budget, if you will. All right, let's get into look number 1. I'm gonna put on a little white tank and then this little set, and then we will accessorize. Hold on, we're a little too far down here. Perfect, hopefully. Let's put on the set and then we will accessorize. I just got a random text from some girl being like, hi, this is Natalie, like, what did she say? She said something like, is this Ruben's coach or something? I don't know, something like that. And I was like, no, I think you have the wrong number. And she's like, oh, thank you so much, I'm so sorry, I hope I wasn't a bother to you, like da da da. And I was like, yeah, no problem. Then she's like, you are seriously such a nice person, like, my name's Natalie, what's your name? Smiley face, smiley face, smiley face. And I'm like, what? No, like, I'm all for being nice and sharing my life to strangers on the internet, but I draw the line at the phone. I don't know, I would never go that far with it. It just seems very random. What do I know though, you know? I feel like no normal person would do that. Like, that just doesn't seem normal. What is normal anymore? You know what I can tell you guys about Mother's Day versus Father's Day? I went to go book brunch. It's Tuesday. I'm pre-filming these, so it's gonna be, the timing is irrelevant besides like we have time before it's actual Father's Day. Anyway, so I like go this morning at like 8 o'clock in the morning on a Tuesday to book something for a Sunday brunch. Booked. That's how you know it's Father's Day, not Mother's Day. Mother's Day, open. Father's Day, because women are on top of it. It's already booked. I'm like, what the heck? What? It's not cool. So we're doing Father's Day on Sunday because I still really want to go there. Or on Saturday, I meant. Okay, so I got this set like super cheap. I think I got this at Shein, honestly. And I know some of y'all are haters. I get it, but like, it's no different than ordering from Amazon. But I am not opening that can of worms today on the internet because I'm just not doing it. Anyway, buy wherever you want to buy, okay? Do whatever you want. I'm just telling you that homegirl is in like full designer and I'm over here in my not designer. That's what I was getting at, I guess. It's just sunnies on the head, so we're gonna pop some sunnies on the head. I think this is gonna be cute. I love a black and white outfit. I just think it's good. And then also where are my sandals? It's on, and she has a little tote. So I was wondering if like it's only cute because hers is a designer, or if it's just, my sandals aren't the exact same, but you get the same vibe, kind of ish, right? But I think it's cute, even though it's not designer. Yes! I think she's like vacationing, so I feel like this is a good vacation outfit with this bag. If you're not on vacation, you can swap it for a different bag to make it like more everyday. I feel like I would just do like, I don't know, a simple bag. But I love these little like linen-esque sets. I think they're perfect for just throwing on and going. These little drawstring shorts, a top. Whether you wear it as a full outfit or layered over, I think it's so cute. So her, me. I'm the budget-friendly version of her. But I still think it looks cute. You don't have to have $1 million to dress cute. You don't. So, look number 1. Let's move on to look number 2. Okay, look number 2 is just good. It's classic. It's a light linen button down, a baseball tee, denim shorts. It's just, you can't get more classic than that. But for some reason, all of it together just works. And I think that's the other thing. We're not reinventing the wheel every time we create an outfit like this, but that doesn't matter. Just being able to wear it and put it together and get the right fit of everything truly makes a difference, I'm telling you. So this outfit is a perfect staple to know which pieces in your wardrobe can give you this kind of look. If you like this kind of look, obviously, I think this is a good one to have in your arsenal at all times. Let's see how I do with look number 2. All right, let's move along to look number 2. I'm gonna change into some denim shorts, and I'm going to pop off this and put on a linen like little button down, and we will accessorize. You all know the drill. Why am I feeling so guilty for not texting Natalie back? Okay, this is the thing that goes through my brain though. Probably because I watch too much 90 Day Fiancé. Oh, I feel guilty, but this is the stuff that goes through my brain. So I looked her up, her zip code. If she's a she, who the heck knows, right? Zip code says, what does it say? Tacoma, Washington, okay? Next, I live in Chicago, so like it is what it is, and I have a Texas zip code, so I get my zip code is different. But like that's not the case for a lot of people. I feel like it's not a case for most people. They live where their zip code to their phone is. Anyway, hers is not, and mine is not. So like, how do you mix that up that bad? You know? And is it like a scam? Are you from a different country? I'm not sending you money. Just seems like a catfish friend edition, and I don't have very many friends, so you could catfish me and I'd probably believe it, but I can't do it. Like, justifying as to why I'm not responding to her. But yeah, I don't know what it is. Like, what is your plan to like be best friends because I said no, I think you have the wrong number and no problem? Like, that's how you think I'm a nice person? Jeez. What do normal people do? Just not respond? That's probably what I should have done, but I would have felt really bad. One time, I like didn't answer the phone because I never answer the phone if someone calls me. And I got this voicemail of this lady who was like, Mrs. Smith, or Mrs. something, I don't know what her name was, right? She's like, you never don't return my phone calls. Like, I'm trying to deliver your medication. What's going on? Like, please call me back. And so I'm like, ugh. So I get this, and then I call her back, and she didn't answer, and then she calls back like 2 days later, and she's like, I'm like, hello? I'm like, I think you have the wrong number. And she's like, no, I'm trying to get a hold of Mrs. Smith. I have her medication. And I'm like, I get that, ma'am, but like, I'm not Mrs. Smith. And she's like, you don't need medication? And I was like, I mean, I do, but not your medication. Not Mrs. Smith's medication. So that was that, and I felt so guilty because I'm like, hopefully Mrs. Smith is doing well. But how do you also get a phone number mixed up? It was still a Texas number. Again, I look at the zip codes. Crazy. But like, how do you get that mixed up if you've been delivering her medication for a while? Nonetheless. Anyway. Hi, I'm an overthinker. I would go with a tote bag just because I don't quite have a bag like that. I don't actually know what it is. I think it's the large Chanel flap. Yeah, I definitely don't have that. But this is so cute. Again, just good. Good, basic, love it. If you're feeling like baseball caps are just, I don't know how to explain it. That was not my butt. That was the door squeaking with my purse. Nobody thought you farted, Kelly, but thanks for sharing. I feel like if you're having an issue where you feel like baseball cap feels really like done, even though you know that it's not, it's a very casual thing, I feel like it just takes time getting used to wearing them, and then you feel like they're not so like try-hardy. That makes sense. Some people think they're the opposite of try-hardy. I think they're a try-hardy kind of thing, but I still love them. So it takes time to get used to it, and then you don't feel like it's tryhardy. I don't feel like it's tryhardy anymore. I used to. Anyways, this is look number 2. And I love it. Let's move on to look number 3. Okay, look number 3. I love this. I love a classic striped button down with some like tailored shorts. I love the accessories in this outfit. It is giving very much like winery, which I believe she's at. She's sitting somewhere beautiful with a glass of wine. And I think this is a perfect little outfit. I love the basics of the tailored pants. Very structured look, but styled in a way that's very laid back and casual. So I love this look. Let's see how I do with look number 3. Look number 3, we're going fancier. Okay, so we are doing some black linen pants and a green striped button-up situation. So let's pop that on and we'll accessorize, shall we? I feel like we live in a neighborhood where an ice cream truck should come around and they don't. That makes me sad. These linen shorts don't quite fit the way they used to, if you know what I mean. So as we get older, you know how just like fat just goes into different places than it used to when we were younger? Okay. So this is my thought process. I'm like doing my little neck stretches because I'm getting like a neck hump because I have terrible posture because I look down at my phone and whatever. It needs improving. Okay, so I bought this janky little neck pillow that I actually really enjoy. So I'm doing that and I'm like sitting there and I'm like whatever. And I've done some research as to why neck humps exist and like all that, right? And your neck hump exists because your body puts fat there to protect the spine. As like a way of protecting your body, right? And so I'm like, does my body think I'm gonna fall and break a hip and that's why all my fat is just going to my hips to protect my hips? Like, I'm not breaking a hip. I'm 30, okay? Like 33, 34. Anyway, but like, come on, give me a little bit of time before you just start putting all your fat there. Like, these are still my prime years. Can we put them in my butt? Put them in my boobs, you know? Anyway, just late night thoughts with Kelly, and not even late night. I can tell you that it was probably 9 o'clock when I was thinking these thoughts. Anywho, let's do this. My little straw hat, hers is a little bit different, but I think this gets the job done. And I think this would also look good with my navy blue tailored shorts, but we're going black linens today. And this little belt. She looks like she's sipping on some wine. It's like 1:30 in the afternoon, so I will not be doing that. But anyway, in case you have a neck hump as well, / your body is holding water or holding, yeah, I wish it was just water, holding fat in different places, just realize like it's your body. Your body's smart, okay? It's protecting us. Like, well, you know, I don't know, apparently lots of women like break their triceps because that just seems to collect way too much fat and skin. I'm being facetious, ignore my humor. I handle things and deal with things in a very weird, twisted way. Okay, so I have black sandals, or I have black accessories, brown accessories but black shorts, but I think I'm still gonna go brown accessories, or brown shoes to tie it all together. What do we think? I love this. I love a tailored short because it's so, not like unexpected, because it's really not that unexpected, but it's just good. It's good, it's good, it's good. I love it. How do we do with look number 3? I think we nailed it. And then the final is look number 4. I think this is a very classic, basic outfit as well. White and black is just so good in the summer. I feel like it is so, I don't know, you just don't always grab for black and white, and I just think it's so clean and looks so good, just, I don't know, for a basic outfit. So whether you're like her wearing this on the beach or wearing this around town, out to dinner, out to drinks, whatever the case may be, I think this is a great look and can't go wrong with a classic black and white for summer. So let's see how I do with look number 4. Okay, for look number 4, we're kind of stepping on my own shoes. We're swapping out our black shorts for white shorts, and we're swapping out our stripes for a black top. Black for white, stripes for black. Let's do it. And the exact same linen shorts. Hers are different. I don't think hers are like trousery, but mine are trousery. Trousery. They're the same as these black ones. We're gonna swap these out. my Pilates teacher today. For some random reason, normally our Tuesday class is full, like packed to the brim, and it was 3 of us. And one of the girls that I do Pilates with, she's like similar in my age, and like we love to do fun stuff together. Like we like when we go to this class because she does like stuff that she's probably not supposed to do, but I love her for it. The teacher. And so she's like, she comes in, she's like, oh, I'm hungover. Like, I went out for my anniversary last night and drank a little too much. And the teacher was like, oh, okay, well, I have some fun stuff planned today. And then there's this one other lady who, she's really nice, but she just come back from a 200-mile hike through like Spain or something like that, and she has a knee issue. And I'm like, who does hikes when they have knee issues? Props to you. But anyway, so she was struggling a bit. So this workout interval Pilates thing that she taught us today, she trained 3 Bulls players, Chicago Bulls players in the city this weekend with it. And I was like, ma'am, we're suburban mothers, okay? Suburban mothers. But it was really fun. But it was pretty intense. I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably gonna be sore. We were doing planks and pikes and pikes and planks and in things and stuff. And she was telling us that like, they switch between springs from each move within their like circuit, but they don't do it themselves. They have people that are seriously just designated to switching springs while they're doing their moves. I was like, to be rich, I guess. She's like, yeah, they don't change their own springs. She's like, does anybody want me to come around and change springs to be this load? And I'm like, ma'am, no. Ma'am, no. Ma'am, I'm not a Bulls player. Need I repeat that? Not a Bulls player. But she's really sweet. She's just so good. And she did the class with us, and there was just 3 of us. And I was like, I'll take it. It's like a private lesson. Okay, I love this. This is technically a long sleeve, and I just kind of pulled it up. I could have used the black in the first one, but I didn't like the white buttons on this for this look. I wanted it to just be kind of a bit more classic and clean. Since she's on the beach, we're gonna go flip-flops. I feel like the classic little like thong flip-flop is coming back, and I'm not mad at it. It can look really bad, honestly, but it can also look really good when styled the right way. And not that it can look bad, it can just look very like cheap, if that makes sense. Okay, these are filthy, but such is my life, always. I don't want to dirty my shirt to clean them, because I don't know what's on them. Okay, I love this. Black, white, you literally cannot go wrong with this. So perfect, so cute. I would honestly probably put a belt on. Yeah, especially because my little flippies have gold little medallions on the top of them. So let's put on this gold belt to just kind of accent. She doesn't have belt loops because she doesn't have trouser pants on. Again, this is not an outfit that I would typically wear to like the beach, but maybe a restaurant on the beach. This would be fine. I like this a lot though. It's really cute. I love this. Turned out very, very cute. So this is look number 4, the final outfit. Nailed it. All right, you guys, that's gonna wrap up my 4 Pinterest outfits. As always, let me know what your favorite one is in the comments down below. I always like to know. And yeah, like I said, none of these outfits are crazy, revolutionary, out of the box, but it's okay to have simple, well done outfits so you don't feel like too dressed up, you don't feel too underdressed, and you understand the basics of styling and the fit that makes the outfit and not just the pieces itself. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon.